working on the brace of the thigh. This is an officer's leg. To convert this into a metallic plan, what I did was I add a latch here for the frontal of the calf, and this is folded into a spread. This is connected together. And I don't have the other 4 pieces of the thigh. I have not linked it on here in the chain, so I'm just going over this bit by bit. So transductor motor, I'm going to split it into 4 parts or be relevant to this. This is what I was talking about with the cuff, the body brace or cuff. So I have one hand to be able to try to do this, and I believe it's going to be like totally impossible, even though it's not even mechanically stable. So I'm just showing you the parts on how the potential range and possibility. It folds here on the thigh, so all of it's folded up on the thigh, and it removes itself in space. I have a guide here that would, I have one hand to move this. Now, this grips onto the leg right here, like similar to the biaxial ROM. Now, notice this hook at the bottom. This hook is arranged to remove the top layer and turn it in a crank. And look at where this follows. Remember that this is the second of the 2 pair, and that follows right behind the unit. So you have 2 up front. I have a hollow open clearance I cut out for the rotary that is fixed in the central. The back part here connected to the back part of the unit, see? And that connects with a magnetic bond, electromagnetic bond, see? So when transforming it to rotate around like a handcuff, see now it's in the front. Now watch, I could smash it down to make these 2 parallel. It just space from its surface. So even though the screws are not cut, but I just wanted to put it together to show you how it would form when a transductor, when a piece of metal of aluminum shaped as this, and then covered with coil, copper coil on one side and copper coil on the other side. So these 2 horns will be transmitting energy to the wafer, which is actually the rotary that's in the central. Whereas up here, the same, where it be a rotary in the central. And that is similar to it. Now the guide part here, see, these are slides, these are guides. So that enables it. So I'm going to turn it around again to the frontal. And then what I'm going to do is pull it up. So with electromagnetic, electromagnetics, it would lounge here, see? And this is where the biaxial ROM is localized. So when I get all the screws to the screw points in, then I can show you how it mechanically works properly. But as far as now, I'm like in a rush, but I just had to give you some peek of what I was doing. My name is Armour, and goodbye.